This is a 21-foot-long food truck with an eye-catching minimalist design. The video shows a large service window, making ordering and pickup very convenient for customers. Manufactured by Henan Kaibu Group in China, the truck's color, exterior, materials, and kitchen interior can all be customized to meet customer requirements. We also offer customized kitchen facilities, including hand washing stations, a cash register, ovens, cabinets, and air conditioning. Full truckload or empty truck trailers are also available. We also install toilets, bathrooms, and cooling systems for our clients. Our food truck equipment is exported to 192 countries worldwide, meeting various export standards and obtaining EU certification, .CE ISO 9001, and other certifications. From bustling cities in the United States to Australia, Canada, and Europe, our food trucks demonstrate our dedication and quality to the international market. Our factory, spanning over 10,000 square meters, is equipped with the latest cutting, welding, and assembly technologies, as well as painting and labeling equipment. Our factory not only ensures high-standard production but also possesses rapid development capabilities, ensuring efficient delivery of high-quality products to our customers. We offer comprehensive after-sales service, a 1-year warranty, and free spare parts during the warranty period. Whether you're selecting current products from our catalog or expanding your existing business, we provide end-to-end service to ensure your success in a competitive market. We sincerely welcome friends from all over the world to visit our factory for negotiations, tours, and exchanges.